Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Robert Bolick, and Coach Joey Chikov. And next, Coach, I'll start with you. Going back to the fourth quarter, kung saan nagkaroon ng run yung Terra of Firma, what can you say about how your players weathered that run and just remain composure executed towards the down the stretch?
Why do they have to weather the storm? They were already up by, they were in control of the game. Why do they have to put themselves in that situation? Right? So you gave up 55 points in the second half. So they put themselves in that situation. It's good, yes, they weathered the storm. But there should have not been a storm.
Coach, going to practice tomorrow, what are some of the things that will be point of emphasis, especially again with how this game turned out tonight?
Well, a lot, because we will be playing San Miguel and Ginebra in the next game. So we can probably get away with some mistakes, but we can't get away with those mistakes if we play San Miguel and Ginebra in the next 2 games.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Robert Bolick, back-to-back wins, back-to-back best player of the game honors. But it's not like you are taking all the scoring load. Maganda yung contribution ng teammates mo, and at the same time, nandun yung mga assists mo. How are you able to balance all these aspects of the game?
Siyempre masaya, daming contribution sa locals. Pero yung import talaga namin, nag-dominate sa ilalim, kaya kami na libre. And masaya ako sa output ngayon kasi konti lang yung tinira ko pero efficient. Yun yung gusto kong mangyari sa laro ko in the coming conference. Yung masyado madami pero efficient lang. Pick your good spots lang. So.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, what can you say about yung na-mention mo na si Watkins yung career import. How do you like him? Kasi you had an import change and then you had to find an import. What mo sabi sa...
Yeah, he gives us what we need. He gives us what we need. He's got 30 rebounds. I don't know how many points. 26, 30 rebounds. So, yun yung kailangan namin. So, yeah, we just, yeah, basta yun ang type ng import na kailangan natin. So, yeah, yun yung unang import, hindi na dumating, so siya yung naging available, so he's doing naman his job.
Pero before Ed Davis, nasa radar nyo na ba siya?
I don't remember, we had a lot of names just hindi ko lang ma-recall. Pero hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall kung sino-sino na yung mga yun. So, wala na senior moments na ako, hindi ko na alam.
Thoughts yun naman pwede na lang. Pwede ba?
He performed naman very well today. No? Gusto lang namin siya i-break in. And I think despite the long absence, maganda naman yung pinakita niya ngayon. So, when he gets to play more minutes, and then we'll see how makakalaro naman si Robert at saka sa together. So, but for now, hindi pa yun ang target.
Robert, ang term lang na si Kevin nakabalik na yun, na parang hindi pa nata kayo sasama sa court eh. Atin na.
Siyempre, yun nga, galing din ako doon eh. So, alam mo yung naramdaman niya na tama yung ginagawa ni Coach yung break-in lang muna, tingnan lang muna kung yung feel niya sa laro. Kasi iba yung practice, iba yung game. So, matagal na namin siya inintay. Masaya kami sa team na bumalik na siya sa mga veterano namin sa team. So, malaki yung expectation namin sa kanya. So, di bale, si Coach na bahala niyan.
Okay, that wraps up our post-game press conference.